Can you watch now?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, okay. I am writing a few alphabets here. Can you say this word? Read this word.
Okay. Ba Badalam.
Very good. Read this word, please.
I need help.
Yeah. First alphabet. What is this could be? Which one I have rounded it?
Me.
Right. The
Me?
next one.
Ha.
Right. That's it's fine. The last alphabet.
Ro.
Right. So now say together.
Mim harau.
Yeah.
Ro.
Yes, this is exactly the word which is used to write your name. Okay. Can you read this word also?
Okay. 9.
Then this is also name.
Bim.
Then
Ro.
yes. Now say together.
Ein.
Meme ro.
Mim ro.
Mashallah. Good. Let's take another page. Can you read this word? Then
Ha. I need help.
yeah, this is who was this alphabet?
Fa.
Right. So the first part of the fa exactly this one along with dot, right?
Yes.
So what will be this one?
Fa.
Right. So now say together.
Ha. Fa. Ro.
Mashallah. Now say together. Now say this word.
I need help.
Sure. The what is the first part of here? The first part is it look like this one?
Yes.
So what will be this one?
Steam.
Then
Fa.
then
Ro.
raw. Very good. So can you ask me to write any word or any words using any alphabet? You can ask me to write, okay?
Okay.
Then
Ha. Right. Jim. Ha. And dal.
mashallah. Jim, ha, and then dal, right?
Yes.
This is the tough word you ask me to write. But whatever I can write. Am I right? I have written
Yes.
Jim ha dal. I think this is exactly right, right? Yes. Any other more? You can ask me to write 2 words more.
Okay. Right. Meme. Right. Meme. Ha. And alif.
Mim. Mim ha alif. Is it done?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Can you ask me to write any word more?
Okay. Write down Jim Hall.
Okay, however, I am writing. Okay,
Okay.
is it done? Dal, Jim, Ha. Just for the last time, we can write any one word more. Okay,
Okay.
are you enjoying this lesson?
Yes.
This is very much interesting. Now I shall use another color, which is the red color. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe next time you should use purple.
Purple. This one may be purple. Yes. Okay. I like your choice. Yes, please. So you can ask me to write 2 words more. Okay.
Okay. Jim Hall.
To Jim Ha.
Yes.
Is it done? To
Yes.
Jim Ha. Okay. One word more.
Noon Bamza.
Noon ba Hamza. Right.
Yes.
Okay. Is it done?
Yes.
I'm writing the last word for the last time. Okay.
Okay.
Which is this alphabet? This word?
Uh, uh,
Ta.
Tahaba.
MashaAllah. If I put another dot top of here, what will be this one? Tahaba, right?
Yes.
Yes. Again, if I omit this dot from here and put this dot top of alphabet, again it turn into ta, right?
Yes.
Now say this word.
Sahabta.
Ta. MashaAllah. Very good. We have answered today lesson using the right alphabet using the Microsoft Paint, which is very much useful, right?
Yes.
Yes, mashallah. Okay, in the next lesson, we'll discuss more in this way and we can make enjoy lesson for us. Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz for today. Can you say Sadaqallahul Azim?
Sadaqallahul Azim.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.